You have to breathe?
Yeah.
You're not feeling good?
Yes.
No, you're not.
No.
You got a horrible cough. I gotta wait till the pediatrician opens up and I'll call and get you a doctor's appointment, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. I'm sorry you're not feeling good. No, my poor baby. Try not to cough if you don't have to, okay? You're right. As soon as they open up, I'll take you, okay? Alright, you got it. Alright, it's okay. You got it. Just breathe. It's okay. Your throat hurts. I know, buddy. It's okay. It's okay. It's alright. It's okay. I'm gonna take you to the doctor.